Today I am going to explain question number 2 of exercise 4.3. Okay, find the roots of the quadratic equation given in question number 1 above by the applying quadratic formula. Okay, here we need to find the roots of the given quadratic equation by applying the quadratic formula. Okay, first part, 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equals to 0. On comparing the given equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 is the standard form of quadratic equation. Okay, given equation से हम ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 से compare करेंगे. ठीक है, we get a is equals to 2, b is equals to minus 7, c is equals to 3. Okay, by using the quadratic formula is x is equals to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, we have abc values and we have quadratic formula. ठीक है, हमारे पास abc values है, quadratic formula है. ठीक है, substitute abc values in quadratic formula. Okay, is equals to minus, write as it is, minus b is minus 7 minus of minus 7 plus or minus under root b square is minus 7 whole square minus 4. Okay, a is 2, c is 3. Okay, minus 4 into 2 into 3 upon 2 a is 2 into 2. Okay, is equals to minus into minus is plus 7 plus or minus under root minus 7 whole square is minus 7 into 7, 7 sevens are 49, minus into minus is plus. Okay, plus 49. Okay, under root 49 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 upon 2 2s are 4. Okay, upon 4 is equals to 7 plus or minus 49 minus 24 is 25 under root 25 upon 4. Okay, root 25 is equals to root 5 into root 5. Okay, root 5 into root 5 can be written as root 5 whole square. ठीक है, हम ऐसा लिख सकते हैं ना. ठीक है, स्क्वायर और रूट विल गेट कैंसल. ओके, 5 बच गया. ठीक है, x इज इक्वल्स टू 7 प्लस और माइनस 5 अपॉन 4. x इज इक्वल्स टू, यहाँ पे x के दो वैल्यूज आएंगे. ठीक है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे प्लस और माइनस है तो हम एक बार प्लस करेंगे. x इज इक्वल्स टू 7 प्लस 5 अपॉन 4 और एक बार माइनस करेंगे. ठीक है, x इज इक्वल्स टू 7 माइनस 5 अपॉन 4. ओके, x इज इक्वल्स टू 7 प्लस 5 इज 12 अपॉन 4. 4 1s are 4 3s are. x इज इक्वल्स टू 7 माइनस 5 इज 2 अपॉन 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are. x is equals to 3, x is equals to 1 upon 2. Okay, second part, 2x square plus x minus 4 is equals to 0. On comparing the equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Okay, given equation से हम ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 से compare करेंगे. Okay, we get a is equals to 2, b is equals to 1, c is equals to minus 4. Okay, by using quadratic formula is x is equals to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, minus, write as it is, minus b is 1. Okay, 1 plus or minus b square is 1 square plus 1 whole square. Okay, under root plus 1 whole square minus 4, a is 2. Okay, c is minus 4 upon 2 a is 2. 2 into 2 is equals to minus 1 plus or minus under root 1 whole square is 1. Okay, 1 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 into minus 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 into minus 4 is minus 32. Okay, 1 minus of minus 32 upon 4. Okay, is equals to minus 1 plus or minus under root 1 minus into minus is plus 32 upon 4. x इज इक्वल्स टू -1 प्लस और माइनस √1 प्लस 32 इज √33/4। ठीक है, यहाँ पे x के दो वैल्यूज आएंगे। ठीक है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे प्लस और माइनस है तो हम एक बार प्लस करेंगे, x इज इक्वल्स टू -1 प्लस √33/4 और एक बार माइनस करेंगे, x इज इक्वल्स टू -1 माइनस √33/4। ओके,